Coach Dara here, and today I'm going to show you how we can use clips to improve our English pronunciation and vocabulary development. Let's go. Okay, let me talk you through the steps. Well, first go into clips, and there in the little star symbol is where you find all your effects. I always start off with filters. There's over 30 different types, all really cool, all very, very creative. So choose one you want. The next step is essential. You go to your live titles, make sure it's in English, and these are going to act as subtitles. So as you speak, the iPad will detect what you're saying and it's going to write it. So it's really great for working on pronunciation. Words could be anything from our word list that we're studying, from our books, or new words we're learning in class. I always encourage learners to write it first, or working on spelling. Then we have a chance to get creative. We can put in stickers, emojis, lots of different things. Again, I would always encourage learners to think about the word that they're using and how they're going to use in a sentence, and select images, emojis, stickers and more to represent it. So they're really working on critical thinking skills too. After that, it's just a question of recording your sentence using live titles, and again working on pronunciation. There are too many endangered animals in the world today. Okay, let's look at those steps once more. There are too many endangered animals in the world today. An activity like this is great because it's fun, fast, easy, and best of all, creative. For language use, an activity like this is great because, like I mentioned before, we're working on really lots of different skills, and in 15 minutes we get this activity finished. We're working some spelling, some great pronunciation with our live titles, vocabulary use, because of course we're using them in sentences, and even something like critical thinking, because we're analysing the words, looking at images, emojis and more to represent it. So it's a really complete activity to use in your classroom with your learners, young or old. I guarantee they'll love it. So that's a quick English language tip with technology from Coach Dara. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.